मिरर इमेज। हाँ हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। बेटा यहाँ पर हमने yesterday we have finished exercise 1.2 up to question number 4. Now I am taking question number 5. Are the following pair of sets are equal? The first set they have mentioned A equal to 2, 3. A equal to, there are two elements, that is 2, 3. And the second set B, they have mentioned B equal to X is such that X is a solution of X square plus 5X, X square plus 5X plus 6 equal to 0. They have given two sets A and B. You have to tell both the set are equal or not. So it is clear that the element of set A are 2, 3. But it is not clear what are the element of set B. They have given the X is such that X is a solution of this equation. So you know how we solve the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So first you solve this equation by splitting the middle term, x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Now you can take common x plus 2. Now you can take common 3, x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x is equal to, the answer will be minus 2 or x is equal to minus 3. I have written directly. So element of set B, the element of set B equal to minus 2, minus 3. So you are observing that both the sets are not equal because the element of set A 2, 3 and the element of set B minus 2, minus 3. Okay, these sets are not equal. So in the same way, you can apply the reason. Reason is that both set hum equal whenever we say the element of set A should be also belong to set B. As 2 belongs to A, but एक रीजन देना है तो but 2 does not belong to B. ठीक है, so A is not equal to B. Equal की definition, every element of set A should belongs to set B and every element of set B should belong to set A. So you can give the reply in so many ways. You can write also 3 belongs to A but 3 does not belongs to B. You have to give one reason. You can give reason in this way also, minus 2 belong to set B but minus 2 does not belong to set A. Okay. So you can do in the same way, but you have to give one reason at least. Okay. There is no need to give the other reason. Okay. One reason is required for proving false. Okay. So it is not true. A not equal to B. That's why we have given this one. The fifth question, this was the question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 5 में you are the seeing, they have given the set A, X is such that X is a letter of word follow. Set A, X is such that X is a letter of X is a letter of word follow. Follow, FOLLOW. So what are the elements of this set? If we write in the roster form, Q, F, L, O, W. These are the elements. Okay. In the second set B, they have given you second set क्या है? they have mentioned y is such that y is a letter of the word wolf. ठीक है, y is such that this is a symbol of such that y is such that y is a letter of word wolf. Now you write the letters of this word. So the element will be of this set will be F, L, O, W. Now you are observing that what element F, L, O, W, and the same way B, F, L, O, W. So every element of set A belongs to set B, and every element of set B also belongs to set A. ठीक है, तो both the set are equal. ठीक है, तो you can write A equal to B. अगर if it answer false होता है तो false के लिए you have to give reason. इसके लिए you can write every element of set A belongs to set B and every element of set B belongs to A. ठीक है, but it is clear also there is no need if you want to write in future to understand be better. ठीक है, question number 4 and I have explained this was the second part of question number 4. फिर after that from the set given below select equal set. देखिए क्वेश्चन अगर if you have the book so it will be very easy. ठीक है, set A have they have been otherwise I have to write all the set. There are so many set they have given A B C D E F G H. तो आप समझ चुके हो इसमें कोई ज्यादा मुश्किल काम नहीं है. You have to check that every element of set A equal to set B. अगर सारे एलिमेंट A के B में हैं और B के A के अंदर है then we say equal है. If you find any one element, एक भी element if you find, then the set will not be equal. But you have to take care of these things. तो वो A 2, 4, 8, 12 they have given, ठीक है. But there is no set which is equal to this one. 2, 4, 8, 12 there is no set given there which is equal to this one. B they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. B के there are 4 elements, but D is also the same element 1, 2, 3, 4. So B equal to D. So these two sets set D. C they have given 4, 8, 12, 14. 4, 8, 12, 14. There is no set having exactly the same element. E they have the set -1, 1. G also had the same element 1, -1. Order may be different. They have written in set E -1, 1. In set G they have given 1, -1. Both are equal. Order may be different. This doesn't matter. Okay. Now this exercise 1.2 we have completed. Okay. Now we are taking the another exercise that is 1.3. We will discuss it one. Okay. Just I am removing this one. Subset. What is subset? Subset, as you seeing the word subset, it is a part of the set. Okay. It is also a set. Subset means it is part of a set. What is the definition of subset? If a set A, we find another set B such that all element of set B belongs to set A, then we say B is a subset of A. This is what I have told. I am saying that if every element of set B, as you have seen here, sometimes we find that कि P के सारे एलिमेंट तो A के अंदर हैं, but we don't find every element of set A also belong to set B, then we say that it is not equal. ठीक है? But it is possible that you have all element of set B in set A, but we don't have the set A, all element of set A into B, so then B is not equal to A or A is not equal to B, but B is a subset of A. मतलब, for example, if we take this set A we are taking the element 1, 2, 3. And set B we are taking whose element is only 1, 2. So you are seeing the every element of set B belong to set A. So B is a subset of A. But we find A is not a subset of B. Because 3 is not lying in set B, so A is not a subset of B. So there are two sets A and B. If we find every element of set B belongs to set A, then we say that B is a subset of A. ठीक है? If every element of set A also lies set B, then we can say A is a subset of B. If don't lie, so we just cross it once. Here we have solved, find that the all element is not lying inside B. We just cross the subset symbol. This is a symbol of subset. As you have studied earlier, this was the symbol of belongs to, है ना? This is the symbol of subset. ठीक है? We don't use the line third one. Only similar to C, just size we just increase. ठीक है? This is a symbol of subset. We just write in this way equal. It may be equal also. जरूरी नहीं है. देखो हम जो सेट ले रहे हैं, जैसे I have mentioned that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 1, 2. So if we find A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then we say that both sets are equal. A equal to B. ठीक है? For example, if we take A equal to A के एलिमेंट है आपके A, B, and set B has element also B, A, you are observing that all element of set A belong to set B. As we write in the number system, x is less than equal to 4. है ना? X is less than equal to 4 in natural number, but we will write natural number which are less than and equal. है ना? तो यहाँ पर आप क्या ले सकते हैं? दोनों पॉसिबिलिटी ले सकते हैं कि लेस देन भी होगा तब भी चलेगा. ठीक है? Forcefully we have to take 4 also. ठीक है? यहाँ पर हम जो यूज करते हैं और के लिए यूज करते हैं, यहाँ पर हम एंड के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 4. x की वैल्यू जो है 4 भी ले सकते हैं और 4 से छोटी भी ले सकते हैं. ठीक है? ये भी यहाँ पर भी आप और ही समझो, कंफ्यूजन मत रखो, आप इसको भी और समझो. ठीक है? x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 4 है, इट मीन्स x इज लेस देन 4 और इक्वल टू 4. Same way, A is a subset of B. It may be a equal also. ठीक है? इट मे नॉट बी इक्वल। अगर आप सारे एलिमेंट बी के ए के अंदर लाई करते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर हो गया, ये आपका इम्प्रॉपर सबसेट कहलाता है। If all element does not lie in set A, it is known as a proper subset. अगर ऐसा, अगर आप you can write B is a subset of A, अगर आपने ऐसा लिख दिया, it means we are sure that it is not equal. It means you have written here B is a subset of A. It means B is a proper subset of A. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर we have observed that it may be equal also, but we are sure. अगर हम ऐसे और equal का साइन लगा रहे हैं, we are not sure. If we are not getting here equal symbol, it means we are sure B is a proper subset of A. ठीक है? Equal की condition में A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then we write A equal to B. ठीक है? If now we want to find out the एक another set है that is known as a power set. What is a power set? Power set, it is a collection of all subset. ठीक है? जैसे सपोज करिए we want to write the collection of all subset that is known as the power set of B. What is a proper? What are the powers? The element of it is a collection of all subset. तो इसके subset क्या होंगे? If we take a one set that is having only one element, that is A, and another set B having one element, ठीक है? Every set is also a subset of itself. पूरा अगर हम set लेते हैं, it is also a subset, but it is not a proper subset, but it is a subset. तो यहाँ पर we find that three elements which are we are having, ठीक है, which are subset of this set. But if we take one set that is an empty set, there is no element, it is also four element, ठीक है, having if we want to find out the number of element of our set, so there is a formula to find the power set that is known as 2 the power n. 2 the power n means number of elements in set B. There are 2 elements. 2 the power 2 equal to 4 elements. ठीक है? तो 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. If there is a 3 element, so number of subset will be one we can take. ठीक है? There are 3 elements. Now we can take the pairwise 1, 2, 2, 3, and 1, 3. 3 elements we got this one. 3, 3, 6. Now we can take whole set 7, and now we can take empty set. ठीक है? Empty set and set itself, it is a subset of all set. अगर हम कोई भी सेट लेते हैं, उसके 2 सेट तो हमेशा होंगे ही होंगे. अगर if we have one element, ठीक है, तो one element होगा, there is one element to the power n. If you put n is equal to 1, the number of set will be 2 and 5. Empty set means 5 set. So number of subset will be 2 if there is one element. If there is only one, there is no element, that is a one empty set. एम्प्टी सेट के अंदर अगर कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है, तो उसके अंदर कितने सबसेट होंगे? उसके अंदर जो है फिर कोई भी सबसेट नहीं होगा. ठीक है? सिर्फ एक ही सबसेट होगा, ओनली एम्प्टी सेट. ठीक है? तो नंबर ऑफ सबसेट विल बी ओनली 1. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. Universal set. What is a universal set? Universal set is a set, superset of all set which we are considering at that moment. जैसे सबसेट होता है ऐसी सुपर सेट होता है. ठीक है, सुपर सेट क्या होगा? देखो सुपर सेट as we have written A is a subset या B is a subset of A, है ना. जैसे we have taken the example B is a subset of A, तो B अगर सबसेट है A का तो A क्या है? A is सुपर सेट ऑफ B. तो सुपर सेट और सबसेट always we have simultaneously, one set will be a superset and another will be a subset. ठीक है. यूनिवर्सल सेट is a set which is a superset of all subset. जो भी हम सेट कंसिडर कर रहे हैं दैट इज ए सुपर सेट ऑफ ऑल सेट. ठीक है, कंसिडरिंग एट द सेम मोमेंट. कोई भी अगर हम लेते हैं, जैसे हमने क्या लिया, सपोज करो ए के अंदर वी आर टेकिंग द एलिमेंट 1 2, बी के अंदर हमने क्या ले लिया 1 to 10. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर जो है ए के सारे एलिमेंट बी के अंदर है, बी के एलिमेंट जो एक सपोज करो सी ले लिया जिसके अंदर हमने एलिमेंट ले लिया आपके इंटीजर. ठीक है, -1 -5 से लेके 5 तक -100 तक ले लिया मान लीजिए सपोज करो. तो ये सी ए बी सी सारे हमने सेट जो लिए हैं उनका सुपर सेट अगर हमें बनाना पड़े तो हम क्या ले सकते हैं? सेट ऑफ इंटीजर ले सकते हैं, है ना. तो यूनिवर्सल सेट क्या हो जाएगा? यूनिवर्सल सेट को हम यू से इंडिकेट करते हैं. इसको मैंने जेड लिख दिया. जेड मीन सेट ऑफ इंटीजर. सारी इंटीजर अगर हम लेते हैं तो उसके अंदर ए भी आ जाएगा, बी भी आ जाएगा, सी भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है, ये जो हमने लिया है ये हमारे पास जो भी होगा, ठीक है, सारे जितने भी हैं सारे आ जाएंगे आप. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमने जो यूनिवर्सल सेट लिया तो जैसा आपने पढ़ा है बचपन से, एंड नेचुरल नंबर यू हैव स्टडीड इन अर्लियर क्लासेस. आफ्टर दैट यू स्टडीड it is a subset of किसके? It is a subset of whole number. Whole number is a subset of integer. Integer is a subset of rational number. Rational number is a subset of real number. है ना, ये तो 10th क्लास में you have studied. तो real number is a superset of all sets. So that maybe you can take universal set of all numbers. है ना, whatever we are taking n as one movement, so all numbers will be real numbers will be the superset of all sets. ठीक है, तो ये होगा that will be a universal set. ठीक है, now I have studied, just tell you, अच्छा interval form of real numbers, this is also remaining. Just I am telling you power set, universal set I have told you. चलिए रियल नंबर्स में जनरली आप क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे डॉट डॉट लगा के छोड़ दिया. रियल नंबर्स में क्या होता है? रियल नंबर्स में यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग दैट 0 और 1 के बीच में देयर आर सो मैनी इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स आर लाइंग बिटवीन 0 एंड 1. ठीक है, जैसे 0.1, 0.111, है ना, 0. कोई भी नंबर यू कैन राइट 5. There are so many infinite numbers which are lying between 0 and 1. They are infinite rational numbers or infinite irrational numbers. The collection of rational number and irrational number we cannot write in the form of, as we have written in the form of integer. ठीक है, तो how we will write the real number? तो real number में write करने के लिए, ठीक है, we use this form 0 1. It means you are taking x is such that which is 0 greater than 0 or less than 1. If you write in this way, close bracket, this is use here, so we can write, it means क्या है, you can to take 0 also and 1 also. If you use the close braces, it means you are including 0 and 1 also. ठीक है, if you are using open braces, that means you are using only, ठीक है, numbers lying between 0 and 1. It may be in this way also. You are taking 0 as a open braces and 1 closed braces. It means you are taking greater than 0 but less than equal to 1. You write in this way also. 0 greater than 0 but less than 1 only. So x here, okay, in this way. This is the method of writing the real number. Okay. So you have to remember how we have to write the real number. You have to take care, because it is very difficult to write the all real numbers. Here so we, in natural case, natural number or integer number, we use the dot symbol. Okay. Then it's clear how many elements you are taking. But in case of it becomes difficult, okay, to find the method to writing the real numbers. Okay. So this is a different method. 1.3. देखो बेटा 1.3 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. 1.3 में मेक द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बाय फिलिंग इन द सिंबल. देखो सबसेट है या सबसेट नहीं है, यू हैव टू पुट द सिंबल. ठीक है, देखिए फर्स्ट पार्ट में दिस इज, इट विल बी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग इफ यू राइट द ऑल द क्वेश्चन. इट इज बेटर यू सी ऑन द इन योर बुक and I will explain you only. Make the correct statement by filling in the symbol subset and or does not subset in the blank spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2, 3, 4 is a subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So you have to put the symbol subset. Okay. Every element of set is also lying in the another set. Okay. So it is a subset. सेकंड है एक्स इज ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 11th ऑफ योर स्कूल. एक्स इज फिर दिया हुआ है सेकंड सेट, एक्स इज ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ योर स्कूल. देखिए इफ यू से द 11th क्लास स्टूडेंट जो होगा दैट विल बी आल्सो ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ योर स्कूल आल्सो. इट इज आल्सो ए सेट सबसेट. मतलब कोई भी स्टूडेंट इफ यू टेक ऑफ योर क्लास 11 इट इज आल्सो ए मेंबर ऑफ द स्कूल. इट इज आल्सो द एलिमेंट ऑफ द स्कूल. सो इट इज ए सबसेट. थर्ड वन है आपका, सॉरी थर्ड वन ए बी सी और बी सी डी. ए बी सी में आप यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग सी इज लाइंग इन दिस सेट, बी इज आल्सो लाइंग इन दैट सेट, बट ए इज नॉट लाइंग इन द सेट. सो इट इज नॉट सबसेट. so you have to put the symbol सी. ये इट इज नॉट ए सबसेट. ये थर्ड वन था, ये आपका सेकंड है. फोर्थ है आपका एक्स इज ए सर्किल इन ए प्लेन. उसका दिया हुआ another side is x is such that x is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. It is not a subset. ठीक है, it is a superset. ठीक है, अगर हमने क्या लिया ऑल सर्किल ले रहे हैं, ऑल सर्किल लेंगे तो दैट विल बी द superset, not a subset. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका x is such that x is a triangle in a plane, x is such that x is a rectangle in the plane. तो triangle और x is a rectangle in the plane, it is not a subset. Rectangle और triangle both are the different figure. ठीक है, it is not a subset. 6 है आपका x is a equilateral triangle in a plane, x is a triangle in a plane. Equilateral triangle होगा then it is also a triangle. So it is a subset. फिर है आपका सेवेंथ, x is such that x is a even number, natural number, x is an integer. Even natural number होगी, then it is also integer also. जितनी भी even जो भी even integer होती हैं, नेचुरल नंबर होती हैं, वो क्या होती हैं आपकी, इंटीजर भी होती हैं. अगर वो इंटीजर हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, दैट विल बी सबसेट. तो सेवेंथ इज आल्सो ए सबसेट. तो नाउ आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ठीक है, 1 एक्सरसाइज 1.3. और नाउ यू हैव टू कंप्लीट exercise 1.1 and 1.2, and you have to write the definition which I have told you. You can note down from book also if you are not noted. ठीक है, you can note down from uh, recorded YouTube पे. You can find the definition there also, because I have explained you with definition. ठीक है, you can now you can ask any problem which you have faced here if you have not able to understand. ठीक है, हेलो, हाँ संजय सर. If any student want to ask the problem, just unmute them.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, can you explain one more time? Universal set. Sir, universal set.
Okay, okay, beta. Okay. Universal set is a superset of all set. ठीक है, यूनिवर्सल सेट में देखिए, जस्ट जितने भी हम सेट ले रहे हैं, जैसे आपने एक सेट लिया, सपोज वी आर टेकिंग एलिमेंट ए कोमा बी. ठीक है, एंड अनदर सेट वी आर टेकिंग हुज एलिमेंट आर बी कोमा सी, और C is another set which is having the element D, E. तो इन तीनों का जो सुपर सेट होगा, that will be a universal set. You can take all alphabet also, और A, B, C कहाँ पे लेना चाहे आप, F पे लेना चाहे तो F के अंदर भी ये सारे एलिमेंट आ रहे हैं. तो यूनिवर्सल सेट विल बी द सुपर सेट ऑफ ऑल. तो सुपर सेट इट इज नॉट फिक्स. You can take superset. It may superset will be universal set will be the superset of all sets. All elements should belong to this set. It you can take all alphabet also, A B C D, है ना. It is also a Z तक लेना चाहे आप Z तक ले सकते हैं. It is also a superset of all sets. But you want to take this one, it is also a superset of all sets. It is not fixed. Whatever set we are taking at that moment, considering at that moment, it will be the superset of all sets. That is known as the universal set. Any other problem, beta? Okay, beta. Thank you. ठीक है. Do your homework regularly. Have a nice day.